customer what is his benefit of whatever we are trying to sell. I hope it is clear. Customer only understands and appreciates benefits which are relevant to him. If I tell you that this pen is a very special pen, you can write with this even when you travel to moon. Is it a relevant benefit for you?
No. Common people don't go to the moon.
Common nahi, nobody goes to the moon.
Sir, I try to tell you something. On the moon, you cannot write the pen.
Absolutely right, but that's why this pen is special. All right. So we must remember in selling the fab, features, advantages and benefits. What do you see in this photograph? This photograph? Group fee? So the person who's taking the group fee, what is he? He is the tallest. So, feature that he is tall. Advantage, his hand reaches out to a further distance. And the benefit is he can take the photograph of a larger group. Often we present our products and services at this level. We do not drive the benefit which emanates from the feature that we have in our product or service. For example, when he sold that software for accounting, it does this, that is the feature. What are the benefits of using the software is what would have helped you to clinch the deal. Am I right or wrong? So when we are selling, my experience suggests that people only focus on feature. You connect it to the benefit that is there. Like you will see this automobile ads, EVD. What is EVD? It's a feature. We don't know anything. Honda City is talking of a assist. Assist is a feature. What is the benefit? The benefit is if you feel drowsy on the wheel and the wheel doesn't have the regular movement, it will send you an alert so that you can wake up. That is the benefit, right?
And the advantage should be to separate us from competition or USP?
Feature is what it is, advantage is what it does, and benefit is how does it help you. So feature is tall, advantage is he has a long hand, and because of that long hand, the benefit is you can take a big group fee.
Advantage could be like I have more products or more SKUs than my competition.
Yes.
Or
I have more SKUs in the competition is an advantage. My benefit is you can order more from more choice. Could be a benefit. Right? Okay. So features is about the product. Features explains good about the product. Feature could be one of the unique selling proposition. Benefit is about the customer. How is it going to benefit the customer? Benefit explains what good the customer will get from the product, and benefit is only UBP, unique buying proposition. I discussed value for money. So whichever phone we buy, we finally find a value for money. Whichever car we buy, clothes we buy, anything that we buy, there is a price value equation which we set. And therefore we must remember that price is obvious. Value is opaque. So price can be seen, value cannot be seen. As customers, we always buy value. And therefore, as marketers, we have to demonstrate value. I am not saying this. This is something I picked up listening to my namesake, but a much greater man who was the first dean of INSEAD. Let me give an example. You have heard of WagonR as a company, as a car. What is it? It's a tall roof car. So one of the benefits of a person who's tall is that there is more head space if you sit in WagonR as compared to Alto, right? Now this benefit is only for a 6-footer. It's not for a 5-foot person, right? So it's not a benefit for a 5-foot person, it is a benefit for a 6-foot person. So you are connecting the customer with the benefit. Are you getting my point? This mapping, this demonstration is very, very important. You have to demonstrate the value. Arey Baba, kya ho gaya? Why is it not moving? The point is, we can only demonstrate value only if we understand what is value of the customer. So do not assume. I'll give an example. One of the companies with whom we have consulted for a considerable period of time is Shrijan Realty. You've heard of Shrijan Realty? And we also do a lot of work with them in terms of training and other things. So they have a property near Behala Chaurasta called Greenfield City. And we were consulting on their marketing, and I happened to be in the sales office there when a young couple came in to explore the property. So this salesperson was talking 75% green, this, that, all the standard stuff which is written in a real estate advertisement. Couple of questions. Nanika, I am sorry I have to take few more minutes.
No worries. Please, sir. Please carry on, sir. Please
Okay? All right.
They will have less time for foods and other stuff.
I hope you are not serving whiskey, no?
No.
So then there is no risk. All right. So I got into the conversation. I realized that young couple, newly married, and the parents will come and stay with them. Okay? And where do they stay? They stay near Bhutnath Mandir, near Nimtala Crematorium. Presently, now they want to shift to a flat, right? And while discussing, suddenly I said, oh, that Bhutnath Mandir is a very famous mandir there. So this man said, you know, my mother goes there every morning to the mandir. So it struck me. I said, see, can I take you to a flat from where you can see the mandir within this compound? So your mother, when she removes the curtains, she can see the mandir. Whenever she wants, she can go to the mandir. They bought the flat on the spot. So the need is that the mother is religious. She likes to go to a mandir every morning. That mandir became the benefit which helped him to sell that flat. Please note, it would not have worked if there was no mother in the equation.
So, but how did he create the mandir?
The mandir was there in the Greenfield city. But that mandir became the benefit which drove the sales. That's the point I'm trying to make. So you have to understand what is valuable to the customer and pitch your product or service around that value. You cannot be everything to everybody. We often say competitor has this, I don't have it. I mean, nobody is perfect. So you need to figure out where you fit into the value equation of the prospective customer. Are we clear? So you ask questions. I'll play this clip. It's one of my favorite because it's all about demonstrating value.